Up Sun Raes? Welcome to my channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing with you what's in my holiday bag. So if I'm going out for a Christmas gathering, a New Year's Eve party, or something like that, what am I going to be carrying in my holiday bag? So we already know that most of the times when we go out to holiday parties, we're carrying smaller bags. We're carrying clutches and little slim bags like that. So here is a sample of a holiday bag that I have that I will be carrying. And the reason I chose this one to share with you guys today, because I have several, but the reason I chose this one is because even though we want something small, we still want something that's going to fit all of our needs, right? And sometimes when you have those real small ones that like clip at the top, which I do have, they hardly hold anything. Or if you have the real thin ones, they hardly hold anything. So what I like about this one is that it gives you a little bit of room. You see that? So you have a room in this bag to get in there what you need, your necessities, without it feeling too tight, and it's still small enough for you to carry and look ladylike, you know, in your gown or whatever it is that you're wearing. So the other thing that I like about this one is that it does have a strap, okay, which is always good. So you can put it on your shoulder if you need to. You can crossbody it if you need to, especially if you're going somewhere where you're going to be dancing and things like that, and you don't have anyone to watch your purse. You don't want to leave your purse laying on the table or hanging on the back of a chair or whatever. So it's nice if it has a strap. You can just have it on you at all times while you're dancing, mingling, whatever it is that you're doing, okay? So I like that. If you don't want to carry the strap, again, you can tuck it inside. But this bag houses everything that I need for the evening, as you can see. So I'm gonna go through here and I'm gonna let you know what I have in my bag, so you'll see what I'm pulling out. So first things first, you're definitely going to need your phone, okay? If you guys have a clunky phone case, one that you think is really pretty and all that kind of stuff, and it won't allow you to get your phone in your purse, you probably want to take the phone case off. That's just my suggestion. So take the phone case off so your phone is as sleek as it can be. If you are someone who likes to vlog the occasion, you can vlog on your phone or take pictures, you know, video, whatever on your phone. You don't necessarily have to carry your camera with you. If you want to carry your camera with you, it probably will fit in here, but you would have to take some other things out. So the phone is in here. You can't go anywhere without your phone, right? Then you definitely want hand sanitizer, so you want to try to find a little small hand sanitizer if you can. This one right here that I have, which is really cute and I like, and I actually been carrying this, will fit in here, but it takes up a little bit more space than I want it to. So I opted to take this one out and then just get, you know, another one. But you want to try to find one that's small and cute and dainty. If you can find a spray one, that will be good, you know, because you don't want, you know, you want it to, if you're getting out of a cute purse, you want the stuff you bring out of it cute as well, right? Okay, so the next thing that I have in here is a compact. So you can touch up your face, your lips, whatever it is that you need to touch up. You always want to have a mirror in there. Worst comes to worst, you can bypass the mirror and use your phone camera as your mirror if you want to. You also want to have a small hand cream, at least I do. It's winter, it's cold outside. You don't want your hands to be dry and rough. You're going to be washing your hands a lot, especially if you're going to be out eating, shaking hands with people and things like that. So you want to be washing your hands a lot, or if you don't, using a hand sanitizer, and then you want to have some hand cream on hand that you can put on your hands, especially if you're going to be holding hands with that lucky person. You know, you don't want the hands to be rough, right? The next thing that you want to have in here is whatever lip color you're wearing. You want to have that in your purse as well, because you may need to touch it up after you eat, after you drink, whatever. So you want to have that. Guys, now, the other thing you want to have in your purse are some mints. Don't go anywhere without something for your breath. You want your breath to stay fresh. Like I said, you may be mingling with people. You may want to just get that Happy New Year kiss in, whatever. You want your breath to stay fresh. I opt for mints. I'm trying to get away from gum because, for one, gum, when I chew it, I tend to pop it, not intentionally, it just pops. So without looking kind of, you know the word term, I opt for mint. So get you some, these are little Tic Tacs. They come in individual things. Drop you a few in there and you just have them on hand. They take up no space whatsoever. If you don't have these, you can have the roll of mints or whatever. But have something. Have a couple pieces of gum if you opt for gum. I opt for mint. So you want to make sure your breath is fresh. And then for me, this is optional, but for me, I do have a pair of reading glasses in here because I need readers sometimes, especially if I'm going to be reading the menu and the print is small. I need a pair of reading glasses on hand. So those are in there for me. If you don't need them, that's something that you won't have to have. Then you also want to have your scent of the evening. If you want to refresh your scent, have just a little travel size that can fit into your purse to refresh your scent so you're always smelling good. I always have a pen because you never know when you're going to need to sign something, so you need to have a pen on hand. Unless you want to use somebody else's, you can, and don't worry about the pen. And then you got your hand sanitizer to sanitize your hands after you use somebody else's pen. Hey, you do it the way you want to do it. Okay, we're getting down to the wire now. Now, these things are optional for some. So for instance, if you're married and you're going out with your husband and he's driving, then you won't need your key fob. He'll have his. But if you're driving yourself somewhere, you're the designated driver, then the only thing you need is your key fob or the key to your car, depending on what kind of vehicle you drive, okay? You don't need all the keys that you own in the whole wide world. You need your key fob, and then if you need a key to get inside your house, you'll add that on there, and that's it. You want as little as possible, but hopefully you're not driving your significant other or friends or whoever's driving, and you don't have to worry about that. But if you are, you want your key fob, okay? The other things that are optional, again, if you're with your significant other and he's handling everything, then you probably won't need this. But if not, and you're going along with friends, then you want to have some cash. Always have some cash on hand because you never know what can happen. Something can go left and you got to find your own way home. You got to, you know, pay for something or whatever. So you want to have some cash on you, and you want to have a major credit card on you. So all you need to do is take one credit card. One. You don't have to take your whole wallet. Take a credit card, take some cash, and your ID. So those things are optional depending on where it is that you're going. If you're going to someone's home, you won't necessarily need an ID. But if you like to carry your ID on you, then by all means carry your ID on you. Carry a credit card, carry some cash. And I have that stuff in this pocket right here. So all that fits in that pocket. My cash, credit card, my ID fits in that small pocket of this purse. The mints are down in here. And then I'm going to put everything back in here. So I'm going to put my pen back in here. I'm going to put my scent back in here. I'm going to put my key fob back in here. I'm going to put my lip color back in here with my hand sanitizer. I'm also going to put my hand cream back in there. My mirror, compact mirror that I need. My eyeglasses back in here. And I'm going to put my phone back in my purse. I will even tuck the chain back in here and snap it closed. So that is it, guys. Those are the necessities that I would take on an evening out during the holidays, during a important engagement, something like that, where I have to carry a smaller purse. Again, if you have to carry a smaller purse, I would opt for something that gives you a little bit more room where you can get more things in it, and something with a chain strap on it so you can carry it with you if you don't always want to carry like this. If you need 2 hands to hold your plate of food, or if you need 2 hands to, I don't know, zip up somebody's dress for them, you know, when you go to the ladies' room with someone and you don't want to lay your purse on the sink in the bathroom or wherever, you got that strap to put it over your shoulder or crossbody so you have it. So anyway, that is it for this video and for what's in my holiday bag. Let me know down in the comment section what you carry in your holiday bag, and if you opt for something like this or something a little bit smaller. I want to hear what it is that you like to carry when you're going out to those special occasions. And then guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.